next project for our Bambox Microgreens. We're going to make a smoothie. Not everybody likes to eat their vegetables. Some of us like to drink them. No matter how you get them in during the day, this is a great way to do it. You can make it into a protein shake or just a green shake, collagen shake, thyroid stimulating shake, lots of different variations I have on my website if you want to check that out. So we're going to start with a box of your greens. We're going to throw in a scoop of the beet powder. I'm going to add some stevia to it because I like things sweet. We're going to add some cinnamon. That's going to help cut that strong flavor of the beets. Also going to help slow the glycemic response of the sugar starches in your beets. I like to use the pure coconut water from Naked, and it's because it's organic. Great potassium in there. A little bit of aloe vera juice and some lemon juice, probably about an ounce of both. You can do a scoop of your collagen, and that's the way you're going to make it be a protein shake. If you're really wanting something a little bit thicker, then you can throw in that avocado. If you don't have all these individual ingredients, you can throw in the Can't Beat This from Purium and have this very similar shake.